Thursday, August 8th, 2024. Saint Dominic. Focus. I will put my law within them, and I will write it on their hearts. During my school days, the beginning of a new academic year was marked by curiosity and interest about our new class teacher. If we had any older siblings, we might learn a little about the person, what her habits were, what pleased her, and what upset her. Our teacher too got to know each of her students, their strengths and their weaknesses. As the days passed, we would gradually settle into a comfortable relationship. Similarly, the Lord speaks to us in today's readings, anticipating a covenant relationship with us, a relationship in which we will grow in familiarity with Him and learn to do what pleases Him. We may cherish the hope that His relationship will be a smooth sailing, much as Peter in the Gospel would have liked it to be. However, Jesus does not mince words. He tells that just as He Himself was not above suffering for doing God's will, we too must be prepared to accept suffering while delighting to do His will. This is our part of the commitment in this covenant relationship. We celebrate today Saint Dominic, founder of Dominican Mendicant Order, that lays stress on austerity in life and evangelical preaching. Fruit. I know that God is always true to His part of the covenant. I must now strive to be faithful to my part of the responsibility.